Welcome to Extra Mile's online weight loss school. My name is Peter Kenyon, and I'm a weight loss educator, teaching people the skills to lose weight and then go on to use those new skills to help others by becoming a lifestyle leader. This is week 3, or the end of week 3 of the workshop, and we talked about how to stoke up your metabolism. We looked at ways of revving up your motor using resistance training, aerobic exercise, how you can use water to stoke up your metabolism, and how and what supplements you can use that may assist you keeping your metabolism high while you're on a weight reduction plan. We then looked at metabolism myth busters and looked at how aging affects your metabolism, how your body shape affects your metabolism, and we looked at some of the myths around exercise and your metabolic rate. A third part we looked at is your pantry. How healthy was your pantry? Now, if I was to look in your pantry, will you be accused of being on a weight loss diet? Or is your pantry still stocked with those things that should be removed, those things that help you to gain weight? And this week's task, you were to look at your non-restricted vegetable list and to learn this list. And in particular, we talked about making a 4-vegetable salad. Your animated learning aid looking at what is the difference between aerobic and resistance exercise when it comes to weight loss. And we had a discussion on why do people slide back into their old ways when they're on a weight loss plan? And is there a secret to exercising when losing weight? Your 5 audio snack podcasts looked at why there is no such thing as a weight loss diet. We asked the question, will one biscuit hurt your weight loss plan? What is the true cost of living? And is it healthy to leave your diet to fate? And we had a discussion on exercise or activity versus inactivity. That was week 3 in review. And if you missed week 3 and haven't logged in yet, then do so. Go back, log in, and do the workshop. Okay, look, we'll catch you in for next week, week 4. Thank you.